For the second 3-year period in a row, our production plant in Drongen, Belgium, has been awarded with a prestigious title. We can proudly call ourselves Factory of the Future. To qualify for this award, we need to prove that our renewed factory in Drongen embraces the principles of smart manufacturing. This can be defined as a combination of the smart use of people's capabilities, the smart use of technology, and the deployment of a self-learning production system. The purpose is to create maximum efficiency, flexibility, and value creation among employees on the entire factory floor.
My name is Sophie de Martelare. I'm Quality Manager. In this short video, I will briefly explain how we manage this aspect of our production environment.
A first important aspect of our smart manufacturing approach is the optimal harmony and collaboration between human and machine. We maintain this harmonious partnership through an automation and operator support system that is truly unique in the food and feed industry. From quality control data on incoming raw materials, over automated stock management and replenishment, up to dosage algorithms, every step in the production process is monitored, automated where possible, and visualized on the work floor. A second important factor is the principle of quick response. A comprehensive real-time monitoring system in the operator control room is complemented with over 50 cameras on the factory floor. This way, our staff can easily observe, evaluate, and intervene at any given time in the production process. Crucial parameters such as the volume and density of the products and the optimal capacity use of dosing units and bagging lines are continuously monitored.
Last but not least, let me mention the clear KPIs we use to continuously evaluate if our production is still running as smartly as possible. These KPIs are monitored in real time from the central control room.
Principles such as first time right and on time in full are leading KPIs in our production environment. This means that every single order is produced completely, flawlessly, and without delay. A second very clear KPI is the number of kilograms produced per man-hour. This indicator gives us a clear benchmark for the efficiency of our operations. At the same time, however, the human-centered approach to employee development, teamwork, and well-being remains of the utmost importance.
I hope this gave you an interesting insight into our efforts to develop future-proof and smart solutions to serve our customers with the high-quality, consistent, and made-to-order products they require.